Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to upload videos in Google Drive and share the link in mobile. So guys, I'm going to show in my Android phone. So before you start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here we are on. So guys, here we are on my mobile screen. So first open the Google Drive. Okay. Okay, this is your Google Drive homepage, and this is a 4 tab: home, start it, and share it, and file. So come to the file, and you can create the new folder for videos only. Just click on plus and create folders, and create like videos folder. Okay, so it is has been created. Now open this folder, just search videos folders. Okay, I have just created. Okay, this is folder, just open it. I will show you the two way: first way from Google Drive, and I will show second way, and that you can direct upload the videos, okay, from your gallery. So now just click the plus, go to the upload, and here you will find all videos. Click filter like this, only videos, then only videos will be open. Or you can go and click on here, or go to the your internal memory and find out a folder where you have videos. So in download section I don't have videos. So so this is videos I have in my all in my phone. So I just can select it, just click and hold it. If there is more than one video, you can just first select, hold, and first select, then just click and here and select all, or you can select one by one. Click on first, you have to hold and select, then you can select others by just clicking and just select. Just click on select, it will be upload to your Google Drive. Okay, so it will be upload. So now I'm going to show you on Google your file manager of photos. If you have photos, like come to the photos. Okay, find the videos here. So I don't have videos, let me check. Okay, this is video I have. Just open the video, just hold and select it, go to the share, and here you have to select the drive file. Okay, so from here you have to select the drive option, then it will be upload automatically to your drive. It is preparing the video after that, so let it upload first. Okay, so let it first complete the preparation for the videos. So after preparation, your this is your video file name. You can change the video file name. This is your Google Drive account. You can change the account from here if you have more than one account in your device. If you click on this 10 arrow, you can see all account. I have only one account, so I just change. And here you can select the folder. Okay, so by default is selected videos folder only, but if you don't have select videos folder, just come back to drive and just scroll down and select the videos folder. You can create a new folder from here also. I just select the video folders, and only you can select, click on select, and this folder, this file will be saved in this folder with this account. Now just click the save, tap on save button, then this video will be uploaded to your Google Drive. So now how you can share it? So come to the Google Drive. Okay, so you have the folder. Okay, just click and hold for the 1 second, then it will be select. Now if you want to share it, just click on this three dot option and click on copy the link, and you can share this link on WhatsApp anywhere. You can also share the individual, you know, videos. Just click on this three dot option and copy the link, and you can share it on WhatsApp anywhere. You can also send the copy like copy link, or send the copy like this. Okay, you can send on WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, whenever you want. Just I don't have WhatsApp, but you can, you if you have WhatsApp, it will be show here. Just select the WhatsApp or Instagram, or if you have Messenger, the Messenger also will show here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.